Hi y'all. I thought I'd do a little studio tour for y'all. I like these videos on YouTube, so I figured why wouldn't other people like these videos? This is the cleanest my studio has been since I finally got it set up after like living here 2 years. Life happens. But I'm proud of how it looks, and I want to show off what it looks like currently and maybe talk about plans for the studio in the future. So, I do not know how to flip the camera. Alright, so this room before we lived here used to be just like a garage area or closed. It wasn't closed in, but it was like there was a roof here and you could park your car here. And the previous owners enclosed it. Now it's a room, but it's got odd little quirks like a water hose over in the corner and the old outside water spout sticking out of the wall. But it's a nice little room. So anyway, on this wall, I currently have my Halloween decorations and some art that I've done in recent videos. I want to put pegboard on this wall and really get it organized with things I use, and maybe put some shelves on it for just display. And this room gets a lot of sun, and I'd like to have some house plants out here. There's Looney. Lulu. What's that, bud? He's such a good kitty. Down here, if she'd stop moving, is Ava. But yeah, I have some of my Halloween collection out here, because I like it and makes me happy, and I'm gonna have Halloween stuff up all year. I don't care. I'm gonna be that weird old lady. But here is my desk, all clean and organized, and Ava's crying because she's not getting any attention. Over here I have my pothos plant and the llama Pete, and I have some art and some organization of rulers, and I keep this little Christmas tree up all year round just to take photos of Christmas ornaments. Ava, please stop crying, honey. Come here. And I have some feathers. That's not important, but I put up these cute little lights today, and organization. And this tripod here is pretty much how I film all my videos. I use this little phone mount for everything, and then I have stuff out that I use constantly, like my wood burner and some paintbrushes and just different things. And a little table over there is for palettes and a catch-all, really, and then my easel. And then on back there is a storage room and a laundry room, and you don't need to see that. And here's like an end thing I'm working on with like all my info. I made it a few years ago. I was intending on doing prints of it as business cards, which I still might, but back when I first made it, it only had Charlie intended to be in it. So now I've kind of got Looney added, and I don't know where I'm going to put Ava. Don't know if she'll be over here, and I'll just leave room for new info over here, or what. I'll figure that out later. And then Mike got me this. I'm excited to use it on future projects. Don't know what yet, but excited. Hey, Ava. Why are you crying? Oh. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Come along on this journey with me. If y'all like this video, please thumb it up. I'll do updates if y'all want. Mostly I'm just doing these videos for me. I've had a few years that have just been rough on me. And I'm just happy to be making art again, and I feel like making my videos and watching how I paint things is helping me improve, because before, in a school setting, with your friends. You have people who actually want to critique your work and see you improve. And once I got out of school, you just realize no one cares. So these videos are for me. I make them for me. I watch myself paint. I see where I can improve, where I messed up mostly. I'm gonna get that fog. But yeah, if you do come by, I appreciate you being here. And if you're struggling with not doing what you love, just pick it back up. You'll feel better. I promise. I've been feeling better. Have a good day. See ya.